Good morning. Every change is made effective by certain drivers of quality. If quality management principles are to be followed in industries, one or more drivers are essential, such as number one, competition in the market. Market situation is the key issue for any industry. In the erstwhile protected market, manufacturers have been producing components as they wanted and were able to sell there in the market. Many monopolists were dictating terms. The customers had no choice but to buy whatever was given to them. But now, open market is the order of the day. There is no restriction for foreign companies to come in. This has increased the number of players and thus competition has emerged. Every player has to face the stiff competition and win. Survival of the fittest is the accepted norm. To be in the market, one has to have a cutting edge. This situation is forcing every industry to go in for quality management principles. It can be said that competition is a very forceful driver. Now, the second driver of quality is knowledge explosion. The knowledge explosion taking place in 21st century drives change towards quality initiatives in two ways. Number one, it helps in making people understand their ignorance, lack of knowledge in doing the right things and the right way. Once they realize their present position, they naturally wish to improve. Thus, knowledge explosion becomes a driver for quality initiatives. Knowledge explosion, this is point number two. Knowledge explosion helps in knowing the latest developments, tools available for improvement, and etc. etc. Having equipped with such modern tools, it is obvious that anyone will be tempted to use it and improve. Hence, knowledge explosion also turns out to be a good driver of quality. Now, the third driver of quality is the threat for survival. As long as the existence is not questioned, one tends to be lethargic in taking initiatives. But when the survival is questionable, no one will hesitate to take initiatives. The present market situation is posing a threat to many industries. Hence, many are opting for quality certification, etc. Threat for survival is the best driver for quality initiatives. Now, the fourth driver of quality is demand for stakeholders. Customers have a great say in present day industries. All the stakeholders of the industry become external customers. Hence, if they demand for a change and want the quality management principles to be implemented in the company, then the company is obligated to do the same. Hence, this will also be an effective driver. Now, number 5, the fifth driver of quality, that is promise of greater profit. If a few industries have started using quality management principles and are progressing well, then it will motivate many more to join the stream. Well-established case studies with definite increase in profit because of quality management implementation will be an excellent driver. At present, not many case histories are available which promote this point. It is also a bit difficult to explain or separate out the profit coming in exclusively because of quality management implementation. And finally, the sixth driver of quality is desire to do better. Desire to do better. This is an internal motivation, or you can say self-motivation, which some people have. There will be an inner desire to do better always and excel in their work. This will drive people to go in for quality initiatives. Log on to my website www.asifjmeer.com. This will give you my professional profile. I also ask you to visit my blog at asifjmeer.wordpress.com. This will give you further details on the subject. I hope you will benefit. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your listening. Have a wonderful day.